The Callaway Brothers Azalea Bowl. This 40-acre garden is home to more than 3,000 native and hybrid azaleas. Which explode into a colorful palette of pinks, reds, lavenders, and whites each spring. Additional plantings include 2,000 trees and shrubs that provide an array of foliage and blooms throughout the year, with wide walking paths that crisscross the hillside gardens. The Azalea Callaway Brothers Azalea Bowl is a delightful spot for a leisurely stroll in any season. A gazebo overlooking Falls Creek Lake is an ideal resting spot from which to drink in the picture's postcard beauty. Did you know the Callaway Azalea facts? There are over 4,000 azaleas at the Callaway Brothers Azalea Bowl Garden. Their azaleas have been blooming at Callaway for 65 years. Wow!
Hey, it was nice to meet you. Okay, guys, have a good day. Y'all want to ride on the cart?
Hi, model. Oh, Lord.
Yellow, orange.
They have also 700 different varieties of azaleas. The Pronofolia azalea is a summer blooming native azalea growing naturally in a limited area within 100 miles of Callaway. Wow!
So this goes all the way along.
Kayson Callaway received the Garden Club of America's Francis K. Hutchinson Medal for his effort in the conservation and preservation of this rare azalea. Estimated blooming timeline: early bloomers early to mid-March, peak bloomers mid-March to early April, late bloomers early to mid-April. The Callaway Brothers Azalea Bowl is named in the memory of brothers Fuller Early Callaway Sr. and Ely Reeves Callaway Sr. Fuller Callaway was the father of Gardens founder Kayson J. Callaway. Ely Callaway was the father of the late Ely Callaway Jr., founder of Callaway Golf. Ely Callaway Jr. funded the Azalea Bowl Garden with a $3 million donations, and it opened in 1999. This is Florida Azalea. About history, open since 1952, Callaway Resort and Gardens is nestled in the southernmost foothills of the Appalachian Mountains. Founder Cason and Virginia Callaway longed for a place where man and nature could abide together for the good of both. More than 6 decades later, the retreat continues to offer solace, inspiration, and discovery for all who visit. Each Callaway family member have an interesting role in the creation of Callaway Resort and Gardens or the fulfillment of Cason and Virginia's mission. Explore below to see how the story came together. Cason J. Callaway, in addition to founding Callaway Resort and Gardens with his wife, Virginia Hand Callaway Cason, J. Callaway made a significant impact in textiles and agriculture and a civic leader. Virginia Hand Callaway, co-founder Virginia Hand Callaway held a lifelong fascination with horticulture. Her passionate vision endures today in the year-round beauty of the gardens.
So gorgeous.
Fuller A. Callaway, Cason Callaway's father, Fuller Earl Callaway, built a fortune in the textiles industry on hard work, integrity, intelligence, and wit. This one also is so beautiful.
That's a Chinese redbud.
Oh Lord.
This has little purple flowers. Come on, guys.
Ida Cason Callaway was a beautiful and bright student at Southern Female College in La Grange, Georgia. When she met the young merchant Fuller Callaway, they quickly fell in love. During their brief courtship, Ida would receive from Fuller bunches of much-prized bananas at her dormitory. He was the first store to introduce this imported delicacy to town. So this?
I don't know. It's going to see a sign on it, but I don't know if there's. I don't know if those open up or if they stay like that.
I think bloom.
They stay like that.
That's a vernal Irish. 3 months short of her 90th birthday, Ida left college to marry Fuller. The weekend wedding took place in Jewel, Georgia, Ida's hometown. Being of a practical mind, the couple arranged the ceremony and festivities so Fuller would miss only one day from the store. It's very beautiful. Look, oh, it's so beautiful. The white ones.
Yeah, it is.
Here. So beautiful. Azalea garden area. Discover Georgia outdoors. Hiking Callaway Brothers Azalea Bowl Trail. Location Callaway Gardens. This trail circles the Callaway Brothers Azalea Bowl, a 40-acre garden over 3,000 azaleas and 2,000 trees. Stop at the gazebo beside Falls Lake to rest and to take in the surroundings' beauty. Featured attractions, Georgia State Parks. The Georgia State Parks and Historic Sites Park Guide is a handy resource for planning a spring break, summer vacation, or family reunion. The free booklet is filled with tips on the best hiking trails, fishing spots, cabins, wedding venue, and companies. Callaway Brothers Azalea Ball, where you can find the chapel, Callaway Brothers Azalea Ball, Callaway Discovery Center, Day Butterfly Center, Meadow Lark Gardens, Robin Lake Beach, Mr. Cason's Vegetable Garden. I have videos for that, each and every one, to see, and it's really beautiful. Enjoy a peaceful walk along winding trails through an amazing array of azaleas. Along the way, watch for interpretive signs to discover details about native and cultivated varieties of featured flowers. From interpretive panel in the Callaway Brothers Azalea Bowl. Wow!